Everything you've ever wanted is currently looking for a place to land, but it cannot find you. While you are still hiding behind your effort, you have spent years building a wall of hard work between yourself and the results that should have arrived a decade ago. Before we open the gates, I want you to share something real. If you knew, beyond any shadow of a doubt, that by next Friday, your biggest financial debt was paid in full, how would the muscles in your stomach feel right now? Describe that specific physical release in the comments. We need to name the feeling of after before we can step into it. Close your eyes. Forget everything you've been told about manifestation. You don't need to attract money. You simply need to stop repelling it with your anxiety. Take a breath that is wider than it is deep. As you let it out, realize that you aren't just sitting in a room. You are sitting in an ocean of resources that is constantly trying to fill a vacuum you create. When you finally relax, stop the internal noise. Right now, feel the invisible pressure of needing to succeed just evaporate. You are moving out of the state of a beggar and into a state of the source. Notice the weight of your body. You don't have to remind the earth to hold you. And you don't have to remind the universe to fund you. It is an automated system of support that you have been accidentally fighting. Imagine a heavy, molten silver light filling your chest, cooling your nerves, and silencing the part of you that thinks it has to fight for a living. You are no longer the ship battling the waves. You have become the shore, where everything eventually arrives. Your field is a clear, open space, ready for new laws. Do not just hear these words, inhabit them. I am no longer an applicant for a better life. I am the owner of this frequency. My value is a fixed law of nature, and I stop exhausting myself trying to prove it. I release the need to know logistics. I rest in the absolute certainty of the result. My presence is a command that the physical world has no choice but to follow. I stop looking for signs of success, and I become the signal that success is looking for. Prosperity is my natural environment, and I welcome it without explanation. I am the gravity of my own reality. I don't chase. I simply pull everything in. Every breath I take is a physical proof that I am being provided for by an intelligence that never sleeps. I give up on the how and the when. I occupy the power of the now. Money is energy, that seeks the path of least resistance. And today, that path is me. I inhabit my future in this very second, knowing that physical evidence is just a shadow of my state. I disconnect from the frequency of wanting, and I activate the frequency of having. I am the sovereign architect of my wealth, and my blueprint is already finished. It is done. Stay in this weight. Feel the profound relief of a war that is officially over. You are no longer bracing for a breakthrough. You are the breakthrough. The signal you are broadcasting right now is pure, heavy, and undeniable. Believe me, your soul recognizes this stillness. It is your original state. And for those who want to own this signal and experience our protocols in their purest form, without interruptions, and in full, uncompressed 432 Hz resolution, the complete quantum magnet protocol is available for you. In the description below, this is your personal anchor for a life of ease. to stabilize this magnetism and ensure you remain a lighthouse of attraction. Throughout your day, I invite you to move directly into our Become a Magnet protocol. It will serve as the final lock on this new architecture for daily briefings and high voltage resets. Join our movement on TikTok and Facebook. Go now and carry your own sun. The universe loves you